You only need 3 things to succeed in the PTE exam. The first one is quality videos that give you all the strategies, working templates, and shortcut techniques. The second one is an intelligent PTE software, especially for your speaking and writing questions. A unique software that doesn't just give you an AI score, but it gives you a detailed analysis. And the third thing that you need is a PTE expert teacher who can guide you at every step to succeed. You get all these things on the Edutrainex channel for free. We do all the hard work every day by experimenting with the PTE software and then provide you the tested and 100% working strategies and templates. We also offer you a free 30-day trial of our PTE learning software that also includes one mini mock test. Our AI is very advanced and gives you a detailed feedback, not just scores, and what you need to improve, following the PTE scoring guidelines word by word. Very precise, and this guarantees your improvement. And if you are still struggling with the exam, then you can join our live classes group where we are helping and training hundreds of students every day. All you need to do is subscribe and get connected.